The next large group of arachnids is Acarina, which includes mites and ticks. Mites are the smallest of the arachnids. Mites and ticks appear to have only one body part, with no well-defined head or thorax. There are two groups of ticks, hard ticks and soft ticks. Hard ticks have a thick, leathery scutum or plate on their backs. Soft ticks lack this plate, and the whole body is a pliable bag. Ticks feed on the blood of animals. Ticks have many medical implications, including transmitting Rocky Mountain spotted fever, Lyme disease, and other infections to humans and other animals. Plant-feeding mites have economic importance as major pests of agricultural crops, including ornamentals and trees. Important pest mites are the two spotted spider mites, European red mites, and other spider mites. One family of mites, the Phytociidae, is used to control pest mite species. Other families of mites include skin mites, bud mites, velvet mites, house mites, and clover mites. Chiggers are also a kind of mite. There are even mites that live on reptiles. Scorpionida is the order of scorpions. These animals have 8 legs, and their first 2 pair of mandibles are modified to form pincers or claws like a crab. Scorpions have a bulbous stinger and poison glands located at the end of the elongated abdomen. This is used as a defense against predators such as raccoons, skunks, and foxes, as well as a means of subduing prey. Scorpions have book lungs, which are primitive respiratory organs located on the underside of their abdomens. These creatures live in burrows, under rocks or boards, in crevices, and under loose tree bark. They are generally nocturnal and search for soft-bodied insects for food. Scorpion young are born alive and are carried on the mother's back until the young molt for the first time. Pedipalpida, or whip scorpions, have no stinger and have enlarged pedipalps, which are mouthparts used to locate food. Whip scorpions, or vinegrunes, move very fast and are aggressive predators. They sometimes eat prey as large as mice and lizards. Opiliones is the order that includes the harvestmen, or daddy longlegs. Although they possess venom, these arachnids are usually harmless to humans. Daddy longlegs have extremely long legs and a small, compact body with little segmentation. The order Sulpugida includes the wind scorpions, also called sun spiders. They have a ferocious appearance, but do not possess venom glands. They are nocturnal, very aggressive, and very fast. These impressive creatures will eat anything they can catch. They live in desert areas where it is sunny and windy. The class Chilopoda is the centipedes. The name centipede means 100-legged. Their body is flattened, and they have 1 pair of legs per body segment, with up to 40 body segments. This can add up to 80 legs for one animal, pretty close to 100. Centipedes range in size from very small to 12 inches in length. The first pair of legs is modified as fangs, and these fangs are venomous. Centipedes are predators that move very fast. They prey on other arthropods and mollusks, such as slugs and snails. Tropical centipedes can reach a foot in length. Another class of arthropods is the diplopoda, or millipedes. They are distinguished from centipedes by having 2 pairs of legs per body segment and a cylindrical body. Millipedes have chewing mouthparts, and they eat plant material. Millipedes are slow-moving, and some have the ability to defend themselves with a chemical secretion that smells and tastes bad. Millipedes live in moist soil, under rocks and logs. They're nocturnal and are quick to coil up when disturbed. Most crustaceans live in and around ocean water. Many have 10 legs, and all have calcium-hardened shells. They have 2 pairs of antennae, and most have a cephalothorax and an abdomen. Crustaceans have either simple or compound eyes. Crustaceans have true gills. Common orders of crustaceans are Decapoda, Isopoda, Copepoda, and Amphipoda. The decapods include crabs, shrimps, crayfish, and lobsters. This is the largest order of crustaceans. Most people see these animals in tide pools. For example, the hermit crab that carries a small shell on its back for protection is a decapod. There are many types of crabs. Crabs can be either marine or freshwater species. The very colorful Sally Lightfoot crab is intertidal. Crabs are scavengers. Crayfish are freshwater crustaceans, and there are also freshwater shrimp. Crustaceans are frequently enjoyed as shellfish. Seafood such as lobster is a favorite, and lobsters may grow quite large since they continue to molt after reaching maturity. Isopods are small, and most are marine. Some are freshwater animals. Some isopods are terrestrial crustaceans. All of the legs are identical in shape and size. Woodlice, often called sow bugs, are terrestrial isopods. Some people call them roly-polies or pill bugs because they frequently roll into a ball. Copepods are aquatic. An example is the cyclops, which lives in fresh water. These animals are microscopic in size for the most part. Amphipods are another order of marine and freshwater crustaceans. Sand fleas and scuds are examples of this order. Crustaceans also include such varied creatures as barnacles, water fleas, fairy shrimp, and krill. Barnacles are marine crustaceans that attach themselves to boats, piers, rocks, and seaweed. They can cause extensive and expensive damage to boat hulls. They also attach themselves to animals, such as whales. Arthropods inhabit our planet, from the depths of the ocean to the highest mountains. One type of arthropod, krill, form the first basis for the food chain in the oceans. The importance of arthropods in the ecosystems of Earth cannot be overestimated.